Welcome to Go Global, your passport to studying abroad with Heriot-Watt University. Let's walk through the application process and the support you'll receive along the way. Step 1. Program availability. The first thing to do is to check if your program is available for Go Global. Just look for the Go Global banner on your program page, where it will list the campuses you can transfer to. Use the search bar on the UK, Dubai or Malaysia homepages to find your program and ensure the course content matches your expectations. If unsure, consult your academics. Step 2. Choose your campus. Decide which Heriot-Watt campus you'd like to study at and for how long. A semester, a year, or longer. Step 3. Information session. Attend an information session organised by the Global Student Office. These sessions cover cultural awareness, cost of living, and other key topics from your chosen campus. Step 4. Submit your application. Submit your application through the student portal, where you'll be asked to include your campus, length of stay, the programme, if you'd like to apply for a travel bursary, and a short personal statement. Applications are accepted right away. It's that easy. One of the team will be in touch if we need any further information before we approve your transfer. Step 5. Accommodation. Each campus has an accommodation page with deadlines and recommended options, plus a dedicated contact for advice and support. Step 6. Travel declaration. Fill out a Heriot-Watt travel declaration form so we can easily support you while you're away. This isn't required if you make your campus transfer permanent. If you plan any additional travel, please do consider your own insurance. Step 7. Visa application. Apply for a visa after receiving your exam results. Timing varies by campus, but the Global Student Office will remind you and host an information session on how to apply. Step 8. Travel tickets. Buy your travel tickets once your visa is confirmed. We recommend flexible tickets in case your plans change. Step 9. Before you go, attend a meeting at your current campus to chat through the final steps before your Go Global adventure. Our teams in the UK, Dubai and Malaysia are here to help. So, where will you go?